Hey guys, back again. I am a machine today. Anyway, my name is Charlotte, aka Holly Anysense, here on YouTube. I make beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos, so if you enjoy that kind of thing, please subscribe down below. Thank you. Today we are testing the Barry M Liquid Chrome Highlighter Drops. I have two of them here. They had four. So I got the gold one, which is Beam Me Up, and the pink one, which is At First Light. They also had a darker bronzy gold one for darker skin tones, and a white one which had a purpley bluey iridescence to it. So I got these two because I already have a white highlighter from Barry M with a blue undertone iridescence thing. I actually got another one of the strobe creams, which I will review in another video, because if you in Superdrug, if you spend £7 on Barry M products, you got a free strobe cream. Anyway, so I have wanted to try a proper liquid highlighter for ages. I would like to try the Cover FX ones, but they're just so expensive. It kind of pains me, the idea of spending that much on them, but I've heard they're really good. But I tried so many highlighters on the shop. I bought 5 highlighters. I'm only testing 2 of them today. And after washing my hands a couple times, I mean the first time all the powder was off my hands, but the liquids stayed. And they stayed for a good few washes that day. So yeah, I'm going to try the pink one first. I'm going to do half and half. I'm only going out to walk my dog later. When I finished filming. So it doesn't matter if I have 2 different highlights on. I'm going to do the pink on this side. I do not know how much to put on, and I'm just going to use my finger to blend it out. I may use a damp beauty blender as well. From what I can tell, a little goes a long way. I mean, wow, that's actually really showing up on camera. It's super pretty. Pink highlighters tend to look the best on me, the most natural, simply because I have pinky undertones to my skin. Oh, that's way too much. I'm gonna put the pink on my nose as well. Oh, the Cupid's bow looks so pretty, and that nose highlight, I'm just, oh, I love. Actually, you know, I'm gonna just do the pink all over the face so I don't look too weird, and I'm gonna maybe put the gold one somewhere else. I don't know where exactly yet. Okay, I'm just it's so, but I put way too much on this brow bone, but we're gonna even it out. We're just gonna go for glowing like an alien today. Gonna have to wipe some of this off my hand. I mean, you can see just on my hand, it is so glowy. It is amazing. This is the glow that I want in my life. I'm gonna see what a beauty blender does to this. Just to see if I can blend it a bit better. Okay. So that is the pink one. I love it. Just look at that glow. Oh, it's so pretty. I just can't. And the gold one, I'll swatch on the other hand for you, because this gold one is so pretty. It's like a champagne-y gold. It's got a bit of pink to it. I've put quite a bit on my hand, but just look at that. And of course we do want to see what it's like on the skin. So what I might do, I'm going to kind of put some of that on the back of my hand. I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eye. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm going to put a little bit more. I've just got highlight all of me now. They are both, oh, so pretty. I'm going to see how these wear and let you know how they do, because that is fairly important when it comes to liquid highlighter. And I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so it is safe to say I am fairly shook with these products, and I don't say shook unironically very often. This pink one, I mean, it's just amazing. I mean, look at that nose highlight. Oops, sorry, I slipped you off. Look at that nose highlight. This gold one, I mean, it's still in the corners. It looks so pretty and natural because I only put a little bit on. What I like about these is that they're not glittery. They have like, I don't know if it'll like show on camera, I'll show this side, but like, it's not glittery and it's not shimmery. It looks like a satin. Like, you know how satin just like shines, but there's no glitter and shimmer in it. It just looks like satin. So anyone who prefers that kind of finish will like it. It's kind of like, your skin looks wet almost. This gold would look really nice on a lot of skin tones, and like I said, there's a darker gold for if you are darker skinned, or the white one with the like purpley, what's it called, like pearlescent purple, not duochrome, holographic type thing, I can't remember, it's got like a purple in it. That'd be really good if you like a more out there highlighter. But this pink, it's just, a little goes a long way, and it just looks so gorgeous. And like, I genuinely, I mean, these are $6.99. Like, these are quite possibly the best makeup purchase I have ever made. I just need a rose gold one now because I bought a rose gold highlighter, which is gorgeous, which I'm going to review soon. So I need more shades of this. I need like a white one, which is just white. So, Barry get on that please. Thank you. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe below. That would be great. We're hitting near to 100 subscribers. By the time this is up, maybe we'll have hit it. I don't know. If we have, thank you very much. If we haven't, then yes, please subscribe. I'm really enjoying doing YouTube. I felt very motivated to do videos, which is why I've done 5 videos today. I just really wanted to film, and I thought reviewing 4 different products made sense to just kind of do on the same day, because it was like making a face of makeup. So yes, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!